staffing and its features or characteristics. Okay, so now we will discuss about the importance of staffing or the benefits of staffing. So number one is huge investment. Huge investment means creation and maintenance of competent and dedicated workforce require considerable investment of time, money and efforts. An organization has to invest time, invest money and efforts in preparing a competent, skilled, okay, and dedicated workforce जिनके पास कैलिब्रिटी है करने का. So ये सारा चीज़ों को डेवलप करवाने में भी कंपनी को बहुत सारा टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स और मनी भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है. इफ द कंपनी इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग वेरियस डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स फॉर द एम्प्लॉइज, दैट ऑल्सो इज हैविंग इन्वेस्टमेंट इन दैट. ओके, कंपनी हैज टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट. So that's why huge investment it's required. For that reason staffing is important for this. Okay, for creating and maintaining a competent and dedicated workforce who can make the organization successful to achieve its goal. Okay, next is long term implications. Second benefits or second importance is long term implication. भी इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है ये स्टाफिंग पे या मैन पावर पे, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पे, दैट इज हैविंग ए लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट. एक बार उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट हो गया, वंस स्किल्ड एंड डेडिकेटेड वर्कफोर्स इज रेडी, दे कैन गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट, दे कैन डू वॉट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड और पॉसिबल बाय देम. जितना उनसे हो पाया वो कोशिश करेंगे उसको करने के लिए. दैट ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज आर tends to be obsolete or outdated. The staffing is required means training. They needs to give training. Okay, so उनको ट्रेनिंग कंपनी को उनके लिए ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. अदरवाइज द एम्प्लॉइज और द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स दे बिकम ऑब्सोलेट और आउटडेटेड विथ एडवांसमेंट इन टेक्नोलॉजी. टेक्नोलॉजी जितना एडवांस होते जाएगा, अगर उनको ट्रेनिंग प्रॉपर प्रोवाइड नहीं किया गया कंपनी के तरफ से, देन दे बिकम ऑब्सोलेट. दैट्स व्हाई स्टाफिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. Staffing is an important part of managerial decisions also. That's why managers has to take decisions very carefully regarding staffing. Okay, so effects. Okay, बहुत सारा इफेक्ट होता है स्टाफिंग का, because quality of human resources, you know that quality of human resources just now we have discussed dedication and dedicated workforce and competent workforce. So that is called quality, skilled. Okay, quality of human resource has a multiple effect. बहुत इफेक्ट रहता है उसका, because people are the most valuable assets of any organization. कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लोग उसके सबसे बड़े assets होते हैं. And all the other resources of the organization like money, machineries, materials, okay, so everything, land, building, equipments, everything is useful just because of human beings or human resource. Okay, so human resource makes them प्रोडक्टिव. ये सारी चीज़ों को प्रोडक्टिव कौन बनाता है? मैन पावर और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. अगर एम्प्लॉइज नहीं है, मशीनरी कौन चलाएगा? एम्प्लॉइज नहीं है, मैनेजर्स नहीं है, हाउ दे विल यूज द फंड्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट्स व्हाई एवरीवेयर मीन्स एम्प्लॉइज और द वर्कफोर्स or the human resource plays an important part, okay, to make all other resources of an organization productive. Okay, so this is why it has a multiple effect. Holistic approach. Next, coming to the next importance of staffing, that is holistic approach. Holistic approach means holistic approach means nurturing of people. Okay, means employees or the workforce or the human resource plays an important part. Okay, to make all other resources of an organization productive. Okay, so this is why it has a multiple effect. Holistic approach. Next, coming to the next importance of staffing, that is holistic approach. Holistic approach means holistic approach means nurturing of people. Okay, लोगों को nurture करना, like we are nurturing a plant, we are nurturing small children, उनको nurture करना, उनमें values देना, beliefs देना, so that they can grow in a proper way and they become one of the responsible citizen of a country. Okay, so like that staffing is also an holistic approach. Why it is a holistic approach? Because the contribution of a person in an organization depends not only on his own competence and motivation, but also on the competence and motivation of his superior as well as his subordinates. Okay, and the facilities provided to him. Two other functions. Key two other functions means just we have discussed that staffing injects life into an organization by providing the right person for the right job. So, okay, and it prepares competent and dedicated staff also. So this we have already discussed in our previous point. You can write it here also. So this is all about, children, the importance or benefits of staffing. Thank you.